In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an image in Perplexity. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to enhance your experience, this guide is designed to walk you through the process with ease and clarity. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Perplexity's website. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by the familiar interface. This is your creative space, and it's great for crafting and sharing your ideas. Now, you should be looking at the main page, and depending on how often you use Perplexity, it might appear filled with past projects, or it might be a blank slate ready for new endeavors. Next, focus your attention on the Text tab area. Here, you'll find a little paperclip icon. Yes, that one. It's typically recognized as a symbol for attachments across various platforms. Click on this paperclip icon. By doing so, you're about to initiate the process of uploading an image. This step is crucial because it's the gateway to adding visual content to your projects on Perplexity. Once you've clicked the paperclip icon, a new set of options will appear. This is where you can either select an existing image from your library or upload a new one from your device. If you're opting to upload, click on the Upload button. Navigate through your folders to find the image you want and select it. If you're choosing from an existing set of images, simply click on the one you wish to use. In both cases, this action will allow the selected image to be imported into your Perplexity project. Now, with your image successfully selected or uploaded, the next exciting part comes into play: adding text. Click on the area below your image where you can enter prompts, captions, or descriptions. This feature is particularly powerful because it allows you to add context, tell a story, or give meaning to your image, making it more engaging for your audience. Be detailed or concise, depending on what you want to convey. Just remember, your words here are not just serving as a descriptor, but are part of unlocking richer interactions with others who view your content. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've uploaded an image to Perplexity and enriched it with your personal input. By leveraging these features, you can use Perplexity to communicate with visuals effectively, whether you're showcasing your latest creative project, sharing information, or simply expressing your ideas. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to explore other features of Perplexity in your creative endeavors. Until next time, happy creating.